So, all right, gentlemen, are we ready?
Yep.
All right, sending it.
Now, start it again. I want to see if it kicks.
We got smoke coming. We got a lot of smoke.
You got grease and oil and all that
Yeah,
shit.
that's gonna do that till you
But she fucking runs.
start it one more time. I just want to see if I have the distributor about right.
Okay.
If it don't kick, we're good. You see how it smooths out when I turn it? That's what I meant. That's why I said.
Russell, did I ever tell you I love you?
Go ahead.
All right. Hang on, Mem's coming. You ready? Watch this.
Close up.
You can tie your distributor up.